Puissant Pvt Limited is the driving force behind the success of government sectors and leading engineering, procurement, and construction EPC companies, renowned for executing comprehensive projects. RRPPL acts as a EPC contractor and project management consultant, PMC, overseeing the entire process from design and testing to fabrication, supplying, erection, and commissioning the construction of turnkey transmission line projects. The company envisions pioneering advancements in power transmission and steel structure solutions, contributing significantly to infrastructure development. The mission revolves around executing marquee projects with utmost precision, delivering comprehensive solutions, and consistently achieving unparalleled satisfaction. The company's arsenal includes cutting-edge design and testing facilities, advanced fabrication units, and a robust supply chain. The adept team at RRPPL handles the intricate process of erection and commissioning with finesse. In the echelons of excellence, company has etched its name as the epitome of reliability and proficiency. With an illustrious clientele and a portfolio of successfully completed projects, RRPPL continues to set benchmarks in power transmission and steel structure solutions. Established in the year 2014, based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 5000 Best MSME Awards 2023 for quality excellence goes to R Puissant Pvt Limited.